Acne scar treatment using laser therapy. Nowadays, laser scar removal is the most popular and most demanded scar removing techniques. Reason being non-surgical, non-invasive technique, most effective results without any discomfort and downtime of the surgery. Different laser technologies are used to treat different acne scars. Fractional resurfacing energy based devices are more effective in treating acne scars without any side effects if done at reputed center. Fractional resurfacing technology treats microscopic columns of the skin. The device delivers a laser beam that targets a fraction of a skin at a time. These are called microthermal treatment zones. Within each microthermal treatment zones, old epidermal pigmented cells are expelled and the collagen in the dermis is stimulated, leading to collagen remodeling and new collagen formation. This evens out the depression in the skin. Fractional lasers such as fractional CO2 laser, fractional erbium YAG laser, fractional erbium glass laser, and fractional radio frequency such as sublative RF and fractional microneedling RF, pico laser, pulse dye laser, and energetic system. Fractional CO2 laser, it produces mid-infrared spectrum wavelength of 10600 nanometer. Fractional CO2 laser is used to treat deep rolling scars, boxer scars, ice pick scars and mixed scars. Fractional erbium YAG laser, it is a solid laser and emits 2940 nanometer wavelength. Acne and its scars and skin discoloration can be improved. Fractional erbium glass laser, it is one of the most advanced and non-ablative laser technology to treat acne scars with no downtime, unlike other fractional ablative technologies such as CO2 and erbium YAG. Fractional microskin resurfacing RF. This is a fractional skin resurfacing treatment done with radio frequency device and also called as fractional sublative RF. Hence, it is not a laser. It can be used in patient having laser phobia for treating any atrophic or acne scar. Fractional microneedling RF. In which deep scar, boxer scar, atrophic scar, rolling scar and open pores can be treated. Pico laser is a new invention in treating acne scar by creating a laser-induced optical breakdown or called as microsubcision, which promotes collagen and elastin production without any risk or side effects. Pulse dye laser. Pulse dye laser is basically designed to get rid of benign vascular lesions. Can also be used to treat scars, especially red acne scars or fresh scar and hypertrophic or keloidal scars. Energet uses jet volumetric remodeling technology, in which a high pressure jet technology introduces healing agent laterally and deep into the dermal layer of the skin for treating acne scars and aesthetic indications.
We at Clear Skin Laser Center are committed to provide our patients with best result-oriented treatments for acne scars. So, if you are suffering from acne scars, there is nothing to worry about. We proudly say that, at present, we are the first and only center in India to provide the most advanced, time-tested, and FDA-approved treatments. With different technologies for acne scars, our skin treatments will help you get rid of acne and/or its scars and have acne-free scar clear skin. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.